Hey everybody, this is the Wargaming Guy replaying Operation Crusader here. Now here's the kicker on the intro. This is the last screen. You can, if you've seen the earlier videos, then you know what it's about. It says our ultimate objective is to prevent British opening the supply line between Tobruk and Egypt. This will allow the enemy to reestablish their foothold in Libya and make our own positions here untenable. Now, I did that, but I still lost because I didn't take Tobruk, even though historically neither did Rommel. So you have to do better than history, far better than history, to win this scenario. So don't underestimate Tobruk, because that's what I did. Even I actually played it through the last like 3 turns, and I found the supply dump out here and destroyed it, which if you can do earlier would really be helpful. But it still didn't, it wasn't enough. So I think that's the key to winning this. They really want you to take Tobruk, and you'd better do it. Okay, having said all that, you still got to head off this feint. There's just a lot of stuff going on here. And I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a shorter line here, but it's, I think, a little more heavily defended. Nevertheless, might as well put my people down in the shortest line. I'm going to put you over here this time, if this is where I'm headed. That's where I want to be. Now, I've got 3 BF-109s, which I do not need. So I'm going to turn one of these into, if they'll let me. And they won't. Really? All right, give me a Focke-Wulf. I like Focke-Wulfs. I've always thought Focke-Wulfs were much cooler looking than the ME-109s. I'm probably in the minority there, but too bad. Okay, we've got to have some tanks out here to stop this, which we will, but then we can reverse. We play our cards right here. Drive out here. You got to get way out here to find where the supply depot is. Reinforce that. No, there. Can I reinforce that? Yeah. Okay, Italian infantry. We'll definitely want one there. Let's reinforce him. Italian tank. Put you out here. Reinforce you. This guy, I think we're just going to put down here, just sort of for kicks. This artillery. Let's go ahead and put up here. My Breda, we'll put here. Some more artillery. Can we use some out here? Maybe. We can always move it later. This we're going to put, let's put it right there. I don't think we're going to get much air activity down here, but over here we probably will. So we'll put you right there. Another one? Jeez, how many of these do we have? Okay, that's another cannon. Let's put you right there. And another one. We'll establish a little group of... Woo, not that little. Yeah, we don't want to get too close and die. So we'll put you there. Okay, Bersalagi will go there. Bersalagi will go here. Bersalagi will go there. Infantry, heavy infantry shall go here. And heavy infantry will go here. That's it. Everybody has been deployed. Do I have the ability to purchase anything? Like a Stuka. I do. Awesome. And we're going to deploy him right there. I don't know what I was thinking when I did this with no Stukas. You can't. Come on now. You cannot have German army in World War II without a Stuka. Come on, dude. Got to have it. It's got to be there. Let's start them off right up front. I don't suppose. I'm sure I don't, but let's just look. Really? They give me a Panzer IV? I'm taking it. And it's going to go right here. It's going to lead the charge on Tobruk. Let's get all these guys up to snuff. Can I? Yeah. What? Why is this 3, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10? I want everybody as strong as I can get them for starters, if that's possible. They're going to need it. Okay, it looks pretty good, although I could be having some things going on out here. I don't know. But, okay, that's the one. I forgot about him. All right, that looks pretty good. And the Brits start off aggressive. Here they come. Oh, geez, look at my... Well, they're dead. They're dead. Maybe. Maybe not. See, my draw is always to come out here and stop this, but you can slow it down and blunt it. We fought in this area for the whole time. They did take Bardia and push past it, but you can't really stop it. That's what I want to do, but I think it's better to be more focused on killing tanks, stopping that flanking movement, taking Tobruk. They got Capuzzo, and then knocking out that supply depot, which is... To do that, you got to stop all this and push all the way back through here and beyond, through past here, out here. It's a long way to go. I've only got 15 turns to do it. And here we go with the big... No, he's a scout unit, so he can't cut us off. He's just trying to cause trouble, which he's doing a good job of, I suspect. And here comes the air power. Okay. So there's plenty for me to do here. Here comes the bomber. Alright. Whoop. Whoa. Ah, there we go. Yeah, they're heading for City Reserve. Look at... Ooh, jeez, look how close they are. I did not position my units well. They actually took that position, I think. Oh, no, because he's a scout unit. Out. Go away. Come on over here and at least slow this guy down. Okay, you're my Focke-Wulf. Let's get up here and take this guy on. That's it. That's what we like to see. You're my 109. Let's get up here. Let's see if we can hurt this guy some more. All right. What are you? You're my ground attack. Let's sick you on him. If I move over here, I can get 3-1? Really? Do it. I didn't even use this thing last time, I don't think. Wow. That was awesome. All right. Let's come out here and stop this nonsense. And, okay, no. Let's do that. There you go. There's somebody I can take on. Now I'm in trouble because these guys are going to eat me for lunch next turn. Okay, what do we got? 4. What do we got? Yeah, let's do this. Drive him back. Let's focus on this guy. Nice. Let him run. Don't chase him. Don't want to lose that town by having them sneaky around behind me, which they're very good at doing. Okay, so you're infantry. You are also just infantry, so let's pull you up. Let's pull you up here. Let's see. I can do that. Or let's do that. Let's see here. What about you? 2, 1. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, Bursalagi, heavy. Take out the minefield. Let's see how you do, Bursalagi. Push him back. Pull up. Good, took him out. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pull you over here. Let's advance you here. That's not going to do good, so we'll give you some strength. And maybe we can hurt them. A little bit, not much. I fired you, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, we can't do that. All right, let's pull you over here. See if we can shake this guy up at all. Not really. My Stuka. Let's do this. Nice. Didn't get him to run, but... Wait a minute. 1? I have a 1? How did that happen? That's totally bizarre. Pull you up here, I guess. And you know what? I think I'm going to send you down here. Set up a nice little defensive zone. And you're coming back this way. We are going to Tobruk. Let's take this out. Anything else? Oh, these guys. Can these guys? They can actually be reinforced. Let's pull them back and reinforce them. Probably not going to help any. I'm probably just throwing away good after bad. But really, I could, if I move. Yeah, but if I move, I lose my dug in. So no. I'm not going to do that. I will do that. That might help me stave something off. All right. So now, instead of being on the defensive outside of Tobruk, I'm on the offensive. So I'm fighting. This is like Caesar at Alesia. I'm fighting an inner circle and an outer circle. The outer circle being much more powerful, but the inner circle being dug in. So I'm on the defense and the offense, but it's an offensive defense out here because I want to knock these guys off and then find that stupid supply point. Oops, these guys are in trouble. Run! Run, Italians, run! You're not running. You're supposed to run away. You were trained how to... you're dead. Dang it. I did not want him to die yet. But he is, so shoot, that's not good. Well, coming up to take on the Italians. Doing a pretty good job of it. Let's see if they can get you back. No, they can't. All right. Ooh, boy, they're bringing everybody up to the line, so we're going to engage early here. Holy crud. They just cleaned my freaking clock. Maybe I should have sent the Italians to that defensive position and brought the Germans up. That's a thought. Come on, Italians, fight back. That's it, baby. That little annoying guy. We'll get him. We'll get you, my little pretty, and your little dog, too. Okay. All right. Things down here, by pulling him back, I might actually have a chance to build him up a little. Who knows? Oh, ooh. They're getting a little feisty. Good. Chew him up. Oh, no. They killed my... Oh, those... Blankety blank, blank, blank. Man, I was not expecting that. Dang, that was a good move by the AI. They took my Italian plane out. Only had one strength point, and they got it. Come on, Italians, fight harder than that, for crying out loud. Yes, he got wounded. Why not? Everybody's getting wounded around here. Okay, you're fine. I can't reinforce you because you're cut off. All right, let's deal with this mess out here. First of all, I want that plane. Get him, Focke-Wulf. Get him, Emmy. Almost. No. Where's my other... Wait. Okay, hold on. I know. I thought I knew. I don't want my Stuka. Where is he? See the... Maybe he died. Oh, it doesn't matter. Never mind. Let's do that. Come on. Get up here and see if we can... Well, we can't kill him, but we can shake him up. And he's not... Oh, he's... yeah, he's not going to help us at all right at the moment. So let's see if we can slug it out with these guys. Man, they're tough. I'll say that much for them. Switch to anti-aircraft. No, I don't want to switch to anti-aircraft. Didn't do nearly as well as I wanted him to. Yeah, you gonna try and run away, huh? Don't think so. Good. Killed him. Dade. He's Dade. I killed him, Dade. Oh, no! That was a really bad mistake. What? That was not thinking. All right. You're kind of worthless, so I'm actually going to do what I thought about doing. Because I'm pretty sure I still have time. It's going to slow me down a little bit, but I think I can handle that. Okay. Let's go ahead and move up. I won't be able to attack, though, anywhere. Here I can. But I probably can't get in there without... Yeah. You can, though. Let's take that out. How about it? Still can't. Gotta use the stupid... It's frustrating because you just can't hardly get anywhere. Let's see if we can kill this guy. Yes! Excellente! Come on, we got him down by 50... not quite 50%. Alright, let's take this out. close. Take him out. Good. Let's hurt this guy. Hurt him. He's on a straight line to Tobruk. I want him to die. Now we know what we got down there. So I'm not advancing straight into that. I hate to lose 2 points on this, but... Move up, reinforce. Wow, we've made some pretty good progress here, I think. Pretty much pushing them back here pretty hard. That's excellent. I do actually. Italians. Tactical bomber. I can purchase and deploy it. Oh, I thought they were going to let me buy a dead one, but apparently you don't get to do that with these. Okay. Boy, that was a bad mistake. Otherwise, not too bad. Oh, yeah. I wish I could reinforce this guy. He's going to need it, but he's not going to get it. What have I got there? Really? Do it. It will cost them points to resupply, so that's good. My only other thing is I'm not... Well, if I can clean this up and then get these guys up here, we can take these guys out pretty quick. That's what I want to do. While I continue to push towards Tobruk. Once I get Tobruk, if I can get it and hold it, then we'll simplify a lot of things. Continuing to pound me from the air. And they are continuing to push down here as well. That should not go well for them. Oh, well, they didn't attack my tank. So that went pretty well for them. Yeah, they're getting close to City Reserve. And they're going to take him out here, probably. Yep. Yeah, because, yeah, he's dead. Man, my Italian units are not doing well this game. They're going to start to pull back a little bit. Not too surprising. He's dug in already. Jeez. Good. Pull back. I like that. Yes. And attack. That's great. I should come way out ahead on this one, and I did. Excellent. Not so good there. Bam, look at those. My Germans are almost down to... Whoa. It's a good thing you're coming up. I got to deal with these guys pretty quick here. Come on, hurt them. Ah, they're coming out hard. They're going to attack the Italians there. And hurt them bad. Yeah, really bad. Good. Pull back. That's what I wanted. No, don't be a hero. None of this heroic stuff. Oop. You're going to get... And boy, look at this. I may be doing okay here, but I'm paying for it. Ah, cut me off. The masters of the cutoff. That's not going to help you much. Neither will that. See what they're going to do down here. Don't know. I don't know that they... Oh, here they go. They're going to go after the Italians. They'll get them. Matter of time. Oh, they're getting them this turn. Yeah. They'll take 2 or 3 out of them. 3. And these guys will advance. The Aussies, it looks like, maybe. No, those guys will. Okay, they'll come on the flank. Same thing. And no, those aren't Aussies. I don't know what they are. And they're dead. So they took that. Now they'll push towards Bardia, more than likely. Meanwhile, my 88s are safe and sound. For the nonce. And they'll probably take these guys out pretty quick. They did. And they're going to take him down probably right now. Okay, so I've got 1 out of 10 tanks. Wow. No, I do not want my optional retreat. Thank you very much. Okay, it's reinforcement time. Reinforcement time. Reinforcement time. Meanwhile, we will keep... Yeah, we'll go ahead and hit these guys. You know, you might... You could kill him, but you'll pay a price for it. Let's see if we can maybe kill this guy. Almost. But you can. Boy, City Rezez looks bad. Looks all shot up. That's a drag. Can't leave to go after that guy. You can, though. I'm going to get where I want, but you'll do something. You should be able to come over here and really help. Now I can leave. And maybe kill this guy. Yes! Excellent. Very nice. Okay, so... You know what? I'm going to take a risk here. Big risk. Got him! Ooh, it worked out even better than I hoped. Still alive. Dang it. Man, that guy dies hard. Let's split this guy. Attack this guy. Killed him. Ooh, that's so good. So good, so good, so good. So, oh, and this guy. Almost killed these guys off, so we're doing pretty good there. You're my Breda, too. Could you possibly kill this guy? Doesn't look like it. Nope. Couldn't possibly do that. Yeah, let's do this. Good. There we go. Cut in behind them. See how that makes them feel. They're gone. Good. Push them back. Excellent. Now, where? Oh, I want this guy. Almost. What are you? You're the Breda. You're... Oh, I've got 2 Bredas. I thought he killed that one. He must have killed one of my MEs. Okay, well, sure, why not? And didn't really do much there. That was disappointing. Can you shoot at him? Good. Got him! Beautiful! Land. On the blown up airfield to make it look nicer. Very good. Okay. Awesome. That worked out good. Let's go ahead and reinforce him up to strength. You're kind of worthless. You're good. You're not reinforceable. We are just about out of time for this turn. I'll take a shot. I know I can't kill him, but I'd really... Ooh, but you can. Put you in kind of a weak spot. That's okay. Don't advance, though. I'm not advancing till I get rid of this guy. which we can do that. That'll help a little bit. Yeah, that's just not profitable. Why not? Let's see if we can weaken him. I'd like to take that. Or that. Either one, actually. Okay. Stuka's done. You're done. You're done. Airfield should fall next turn, maybe, if we're lucky. And... oh, that will take place in the next video, guys. So this is Crusader go round number 2. And this is the Wargaming Guy. Thanks for watching. And take care, everybody. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe and hit the bell thing because my views are way down because of YouTube's evil algorithm. So fight back. And until next time, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you later.